Hello, friends. My name is Satyam. I think we can make a huge impact on this world through technology. Therefore, we can take this world to the another level where we can live peacefully and happily with the help of technology. Therefore, I am choosing the topic, choosing my discipline, technology in the design thinking challenge. So, I'm really integrating and I'm really passionate about integrating education with technology. With this, I want to say I mean that uh, there will be classrooms, but there is no real teacher. Yet the students have the facility to be taught by the topmost faculty of the country. So I want such type of education because we see in rural areas and in other backward areas, students, one thing they don't know, their parents, they don't know about the importance of education. And if if we plan to bring education there, then we don't have the faculty which can go in these areas, and we don't have the good faculty. Means if there is education, I mean to say all the students of India should be taught by a very good faculty, a very qualified faculty. That is how I want to spread education across my country and across the globe. I want each and every student should have the access to education. Each and every, I mean, uh, students from the really poor background, students of slums who don't have the access to education. I am My thinking is to provide education to each and every of backward classes. Means anyone, means every student should be educated. Okay, so what I want to say, I want to integrate the technology with the education. So I am talking about virtual education because I want everyone should be taught by the topmost faculty, and this is how it can be done. I'm trying to set up the virtual classrooms. Okay, but there are really a wide range of problems in this idea. Really a wide range of problem. Like how might we can convince the parents of these backward area. Means the parents, they are illiterate, know the they don't know the importance of education. How can we convince, how might we can convince them uh, to educate their child, because they don't actually know the value of the education. So how can we convince these parents so that they also are motivated to give education to their children. Also, these the I'm talking about the slum people. My main focus to bring this idea to the urban area where people are more, means they are more aware of the importance of education, and they are more this they have the level to educate their children. But my main focus is for the backward and the rural areas where the student, they don't have the access to the quality education. So since they people don't have, they just have the money for their to their continue for their survival, they just have that much money. So I want to provide a free education to these people. So this is also a great concern. How might we can provide the free education for their children? That is how we can provide them. Otherwise, they will not they will not surely allow the condition, the circumstances, they don't allow their wards to study. So how might we can provide free education? And with that comes to, which is linked, comes to the next problem, which is linked to the previous one, that is how can we collect fund, because really we need funding for this. This is a huge project which will be executed all over the country, so we have to collect the funds. So this is also a great concern, how might we can collect the funds for this project. Also, how might we can set up these virtual classrooms, because setting up the classroom really needs technology, because all the education will be online. So this needs really a very good technology, very good advancement in technology to create these virtual classrooms where the students are studying and there is no teacher, but yet they have the facility to be taught by the topmost faculty. So it needs technology. So it is also a concern that how might we can set up these virtual classroom in the rural areas, because it is easy in urban areas, but it is not that much easy in rural and the backward area. But my main focus is on the backward areas. My main focus is on them. My main target is on them. My target is all over the country, but main target is on, because okay, so another concern is that if there is no real teacher, of course, when somebody is teaching, the students, they have the really great, really multiple thoughts about one topic. They have lots of doubt about the topic which the teacher is teaching. So if there is no teacher in the classroom, then how the doubts will be removed? So it is also a problem. So how the doubts will be removed? And one thing is only the academics, but I want to work on the overall development of the student from the backward classes. So what can we do so that these students, they grow, there is overall growth in this, because overall development is very important. Academic is important, but overall is, I think, is really important to survive in this world. So it is also a problem that since we are able to teach only the academics, so might we do something? So how might we arrange some activities so that there is overall development of the students? And also I don't want to restrict the students to limited amount of subject. I want they should have the access to varieties of subject, and they should be able to learn what they are interested in and what they want to learn. So how might we avail these different varieties of subject to them? So yeah, this is also a concern. Really, to say, I am really very enthusiastic and I am very passionate about this project, because I think education is the only tool with which we can bring prosperity, happiness, and peaceful in this world. Education is really an important tool, and I want that education should be accessible to each and every part of the world. So this is my motivation, and also I am trying to give the free education, so that education is not a burden on anybody. Education should be free. This is my thinking. Education should be free. So, but how it will be, so it is a concern. If I want to interview somebody, I want to interview my professor regarding this issue, because since he's in that line, he's in the teaching line, he will be able to guide me for this project. So yeah, I want to interview my professor. Thank you.